I just wanted to kind of share this video with you. It is the unboxing of the last order I got from my web store, the e-store. It shows some of the free products I got from our last Avon Live shopping event, the skincare event, and of course some of the products that I had ordered during that event. A lot of the free skincare products were just because my order was a certain amount, and these are eligible for anybody. Once your order reaches a certain amount, you will receive packages of free gifts if you shop during a live shopping event. You'll see here I am actually taking the cover off of one of the pumps for our Moisture Therapy Balance and Smooth shower gel, and you'll see I took a scissors and poked a hole in there to get the pump down. I find that often works a lot better than trying to pull the caps off. You'll notice on the next one, because it was the body lotion, the cap was much easier sealed to pull off, so I just pulled part of it off and then put the pump in with it. There you will see this is the Bakuchiol Mini Travel Size Serum. Was a free gift when I ordered the full size serum. You'll watch me open it right there. One good thing, a lot of our products also come with a free travel size or a free bonus gift when you do order. There, I just throw away a lot of the garbage. The Equinox eye serum was a free gift. There I am opening the Cica peptide ampule, and even though I have a little bit of a difficulty getting that box open, you will see that I finally give up and rip it. But you'll see that was one of the free gifts also. There is a safety on there, and that took a little bit of time to get it off. Anyway, I just wanted to share this unboxing video, and